So when we get a car in to bag it, the first thing we do is take it for a test drive, make sure that the car's not making any noises that it shouldn't, just so that we know that once we've fitted the air and we take it for a test drive following that fitting, that any noises are either existing noises with an issue with the car or maybe something to do with the installation. So this week we're fitting an airlift suspension kit to this Scirrocco. So let's take it for a test drive and see what we got. Off we go. Definitely some weird noises. Good noises though. So there's no weird noises in terms of suspension. Obviously there's some weird noises coming from the engine bay, but they're all noises that we like to hear. No knocking, steering's tight, suspension feels good. So actually, it's a nice platform to start from, in that we know we're not dealing with other issues at the same time as bagging it. So let's get it in the workshop, get it on the floor. So that's the Scirrocco bagged, Airlift 3P with a 1/4 inch airline spec. Nice slow movement on the air up and down, which makes for a really nice daily driver. This is the performance kit, so it's got the 30-way adjustable damping front and rear with the Airlift Performance shocks, camber adjustment on the top mounts on the front, so it gives you a lot of possibilities for fine-tuning stuff. As you can see, sits nice even on these factory wheels. I believe the owner is going to be upgrading those. Should be picking it up later on today. Nice sunny day for a change. Nice drive home. I think from what he said, fully forged engine, pushing about, well, just short of 500 brake horsepower apparently, and you certainly feel that when you take it for a drive. Drive's lovely. We've set this one up fairly firm, 5 clicks from the firmest. That seems to be a really nice compromise between super firm but also drivable on today's roads. So there we are. Looks nice. Give us a call if you want some air suspension fitted on your car. Don't worry if there's not a kit available. We specialise in making kits for platforms where there's not a bolt-on application. See you soon guys. Cheers.